Hi everybody, it's Anthony Morrison and welcome to this week's edition of the Weekly Blog. So as you know, last week I came to you from Marina Del Rey. Really cool place, love the marina, love the setting, and I told you I was kind of just hunkered down and really thinking about what I can do and how I can relay information more clearly to you, and also how I can relay more information to you and keep you engaged and excited about what we're actually doing. So what I want to do is welcome you right now to really our new way of training. As you can see, this is a whiteboard, and it's probably one of my favorite new things because most of the time on my weekly blog, I have the little blue spinning M, or occasionally I have an easel and I can write a little bit, but I went and got myself a really cool whiteboard. I can do a lot of things here. And the reason that I did this is because it's going to give me the ability to do more training, right? So I'm actually going to be able to write things down, and you can literally take notes, just like if you were in class. Every Friday, every Monday, right here on the weekly blog, you'll learn something new. It also gives you the opportunity to visualize. So you can actually see what I'm talking about. I think a lot of times there's a disconnect because I'm telling you to do something, but I'm not really showing you what that is, And so I think if you visually see what I'm writing, what I'm doing, it's going to inspire you to be able to go out and do this. And then, of course, my hope is that it's a higher ROI, higher return on your investment, meaning you're going to learn more, you're going to visually see it, so you're going to be able to go and implement it, and in turn, that's going to create a higher ROI for you in your business by just simply doing the things that I teach. So as I come to you each and every week, sometimes we'll change it up, but a lot of times now, my goal for 2012 is to use this whiteboard, to use this time we have together to really educate you. I love to motivate you, I love to inspire you, I love to tell you stories about my life. I love to do all of those things that help you understand where I'm coming from, help you get to know me as a person so that you'll really be engaged enough to listen to what I have to say. But at the same time, I want to spend a lot of time on this whiteboard teaching you strategies and techniques that you can literally implement overnight and start seeing better results in your business. So get excited, stand by. Next week on the weekly blog, we're going to start the training right here on the whiteboard. I'm going to start teaching you techniques to get higher click-through ratios on your ads, to get higher payouts from the different affiliate networks, and so many other things that we're using every single day that we're now going to relay to you right here completely free on the weekly blog. So if you like what you've heard, if you're excited about it, if you plan to be back here next week on the weekly blog, do me a favor. Leave me a comment right below the video. Let me know what you think. Do you love my whiteboard? Can you see this real clearly? Because this is a space I'm going to be writing in. And then click the Facebook like button, click the Twitter button, share this stuff socially. I love to share my information with you, and I love for you to share the opportunity with other people. So I encourage you to do that right now. Click the Facebook button, click the Twitter button, leave me a comment, and make sure not to miss next week right here on the weekly blog.